Philippine Air Force acquires Scan Eagle long-endurance drone from USA. The reconnaissance drone will enhance operations of the military's ground, air, and naval forces. Boeing Scan Eagle is a small long-endurance low-altitude drone and has a range of 1,500 kilometers and an endurance of more than 28 hours. Its missions include intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, special services operations, escort operations, sea lane and convoy protection, protection of high-value and secure installations, and high-speed wireless voice, video, and data communications relay. The sensor turret can be fitted with a DRS E6000 high-resolution uncooled thermal imager module. It allows the operator to track stationary or moving targets without having to re-maneuver the air vehicle. For operation in cold environments, it can be equipped with carburettor heating and an ice-phobic wing covering.